Hey there, cannot wait to show you this cute little beach house over on the west end of the beach, no HOA, and a great location. And as you can see, just a few minutes to the gorgeous white sands. Let's go check it out. Hey there, we're checking out this adorable little beach house on the west end of the beach. Open concept dining and living space. We've got heightened ceilings to make you feel like the space is even more expansive. Lots of light coming through and LVP throughout, so no worry about getting sand on the carpet. Let's go check out the rest of the space. Don't worry about having enough space in this little 2-bedroom. Both of the bedrooms are very spacious, and as you can see, this master suite leads out into a sunny lanai overlooking a gorgeous backyard. This is a perfect little beach spot. One of the things you're going to love about this little home on Palm Drive is the outdoor space. Gorgeous front yard and backyard, as you can see. It's well manicured. It has extra storage buildings for all your beach toys, and you can relax on this little sunny screened-in lanai that you can get access to from the kitchen or your master suite.
For more information on any of these great Panama City Beach properties, make sure you click on the links below. You'll find more details, including more photos and who to contact if you want to know more. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any future deals like these.